Hey guys, Miss Donnell here. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. I'm glad to see you guys here with us again. Today we're going to spend a couple of minutes reviewing our skills from Monday and Tuesday. We'll go over some new skills. We will have you write some words and then have you write a sentence. Okay, so we'll begin with CK says k. Your turn. Remember, CK says k at the end of a one-syllable word that has a short vowel. SH says shh. Your turn. CH says ch. Your turn. Remember, CH and SH can go at the beginning of a word or at the end of a word. Our two new skills for today are WH says wha. Your turn. And TH says your turn. Same with the others. CH and WH can go at the beginning of a word or at the end of a word. Okay guys, now we're going to start finger tapping and writing some of these new words. Parents, if you have one of these pages at home, it's great to use with your student. If you don't, it's okay. Just remember that you tap with a hand you do not write with. Miss Donnell's right-handed, so I will begin tapping with my left hand. If you are left-handed, your student will tap with their right hand. Okay, so the first word we will tap will be the word Beth. I start tapping with my pinky, B, E, Th, and then I pound the word Beth. Now students, you can do this with me. B, E, Th, Beth. Now see if you can do it by yourself. Now write the word. Okay, let's move on. Our next word is the word thin. Let's tap the sounds. I, N, and then tap it. Thin. Okay, tap it with me. I, N. Thin. Now tap it on your own. Now write the word thin. Okay, the next word is the word wop. Let's tap it. W-A-P. Wop. Okay, tap it with me. W-A-P. Wop. Now tap it by yourself. Write the word wop. Our next word is the word when. Tap it with me. N. When. Okay, tap it with me again. N. When. Now see if you can tap it by yourself. Now write the word when. Our last word is the word math. I'll tap it. Math. Now you tap the word with me. Math. Okay, see if you can tap it by yourself. Now write the word math. Parents, remember, if your student is left-handed, they will begin tapping it with their thumb, the first sound, the middle sound, and the last sound. And then they can pound, and then they can write the word. Next, on our page today, students, you will read these words to your parents. I know you're going to do a beautiful job at that. And then last, you will write this sentence: the plane will fly. You want to add some adjectives to that sentence to make it a more detailed sentence. So think of ways that you can describe the plane. For example, the blue plane can fly. The red plane can fly. The big plane can fly. See you guys again later. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's Miss McCook here. I'm going to go over some phonemic awareness words with you on the first set of words that we do. I want you to give me a thumbs up if the word rhymes, if the words rhyme, or a thumbs down if the words don't rhyme. So, round, bound. Thumbs up. Cloud, could. Down. count, mount. Power, flower. Crouch, crowd. Scout, drought. Mouth, south. Bounce, hound. Town, frown. Sour, flower. Okay, good job. I'm going to do another group of words, and on this time I'm going to say the whole word and you're going to repeat the word, and then you're going to isolate the onset from the rhyme. So if I say pouch, you're going to say pouch, ouch. Okay, ready? First word is found. Ound. Pouch. Ouch. Crowd. Crowd. Tower. Hour. Sound. Sound. Mouse. Ouse. Pout. Out. Spout. Out. Brown. Brown. Sprout. Spur. Out. Good job. All right, we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna say individual phonemes of a word, and you're gonna listen, and then you're gonna say the whole word. So I may say b, out, and you're gonna say about. Okay, you ready? K, ow, ch. You should have said couch. P, ow, ns. You should have said pounce. H, ow, nd. And you should have said hound. W, ow, nd. Wound. Gr, ow, nd. Ground. Cr, ow, d, d. Crowded. P, ow, power. L, ow, s. Louse. Cr, ow, n. Crown. S, ow, sour. Okay, good job. That is all for today. I hope you guys go do your AMI packets today. Make sure you are doing an act of kindness for someone in your family. Help around the house, do some chores, and go outside. It's sunny. And if it starts raining, go inside and go to Go Noodle and maybe dance. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Grissom here. We're going to do some math today. And before we get started with our math problem that's in your packet, I want to do some subitizing. That's a big word. Subitizing just means that you can see dots and your mind knows how many there are without counting. Okay, so subitizing is really good to practice because it gets your math brain kind of going, like a little warm-up. So that's what we're going to do for just a little bit. I'm going to show you again. Try to break up the dots you see into 2 different parts. Did you see 8? Yeah. 5 and 3 it makes 8. 5 and 3 makes 8. Good job. Try this one. What'd you see? Yeah, 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. Let's try another one. What'd you see? Did you see 4 and 4? Yeah, 4 and 4 make 8. Great job. One more, and then we'll get started. Let's see, how about this one? Did you see 7? 5 and 2 more make 7. Yeah, great job. Okay, let's talk about this math problem that you had in your packet. Let me read it for you. Look, I printed mine on green paper today. Let me read it for you. It says, this is April 1st, and there's a word problem for today. It says, there were 14 items on the table to measure. Allie already measured 5 of them. How many more items are there left to measure? Let me read it again for you. There were 14 items on the table to measure. Allie already measured 5 of them. How many more items are there to measure? Okay, so we have to think about, what is it asking us? What is it telling us? What do we know? Okay, and so what we know that there are 14 items that she has to do something to. She has to measure them. All right, she already measured how many? 5. Right, she already measured 5 of them. And so we're trying to figure out how many more she has to measure. How many are left for her to measure? Okay, I want you to hit pause on the video, and I want you to see if you can figure out how many Allie has left to measure. Okay, there were 14 items on the table to measure. That's what I'm going to show. I'm going to show that there were 14 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items on the table that she has to measure. Maybe she's in a math class or something and she has to measure all the items. It's a good idea to show your counting. When we show our counting, it just helps to see that we didn't miscount or forget a circle or anything like that. So always show your counting. That's a good idea. Allie already measured 5 of them. So what can I do to show that? Hopefully on your paper you crossed out the 5 that she already circled, or already measured. So she measured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the question says, how many more items are there to measure? How many more items are there to measure? These are the ones that she has left that she needs to measure. So I'm going to put a circle around those guys. And I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items that she needs to still measure. So what's my answer? What's my answer to the question, how many more items are there to measure? The answer is 9. Can you see that? Nope. Let's do it up here. 9 items. And an equation that we could use for this problem would be 5 plus 9 equals 14. And the answer to the equation, or the answer to the question in the word problem is 9. Okay? Another equation that I could use for this same problem is I started with 14. I took 5 away. And how many did that leave me with? 9. And the answer's there now. Okay, great job in math today. You are awesome. See you tomorrow.